Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Urmi World. In this Python for Beginners series, on this day 2, we are going to see how we can install the Anaconda platform, and within that you will see Jupyter and Spider Notebook, and these two are data science tools which are useful to do any Python coding in that. So let's start our today's session and install our tools. So for this, you need to go to your Google and write here Anaconda download. Once you do, you will see the first link itself, that is on www.anaconda.com. That is the world's most popular data science platform. Click on this link and you will get on this page, where on this first page itself you will find this Anaconda for the Windows, and it's free of cost. So click on this download option. Once you do, your downloadation will be started. I will cancel out here because I already have this installed in my computer. And yes, this is what you have installed, not installed, it's just you downloaded that. Now let's go with the process of installation. So go to your downloads and you will see this, the very recent file which we have here is 2022.5. That's the latest version of Anaconda 3. So click on this, double click on it, and you will get this first page. Welcome to this Anaconda, and it's a setup. The setup is straightforward, simple. Just you need to click next. So here I'll go next and agree this license agreement. So I'll click on I agree. If you want to read, you can go through this whole license agreement. So I will just go and I agree. Once you do, you will they will ask you what the installation type. So just keep as it is, I would say. Install for just me, and I will again go next. And the next, which is really important, is to set up your path. So I mostly go with the default one. The computer itself selects that in a better way. But if you want that you need a specific folder in which you want to segregate and have your data science tools, then you can go with this browser and select the location for that. So this is what the destination folder where you will install your Anaconda. So for me, I'm gonna put it as it is and click on next. Uh, I'll stop here because I already have installed, but once you do click next, it will download this whole thing, not just download, install in your system in this destination folder, and it will be 100%. Once it is done, it will just simply pop up here, finish or cancel or okay, kind of. So just click on finish and you are done. So after that, you have to go to your Windows search box and here just write Anaconda. Once you write here, you will see Anaconda Navigator. Click on this Navigator, Anaconda Navigator. And you will see the very resemblance of this Anaconda symbol, which you have already seen here. Anaconda this. So this is how it's all initialized in the first, and the booting process and all that it's taking right now. It will take a little bit 2 to 3 minutes to start up all this, because this platform is giving you a lot of um, I would say a lot of tools for the data science workout. Once you do, you will have this in your taskbar. So click that on the taskbar and you will see this Anaconda Navigator, which shows these are the applications which is within there in your this environment. Data spell, then there is this command prompt which is very similar to the command prompt kind of the DOS prompt thing. So just scripted you can write here. It's a terminal which is without the GUI one. So that is the one. Data Explorer, there are a lot of IPY. This is Qt console is also used for the Python coding. Spider is also there, and there is one Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. We are going to do here for the Jupyter Notebook. You can here might be you are the haven't you're the first time you are downloading and using it. So you might see here the install. So click on that install. It will just in a fraction of a second, it will be installed in your system. And this is how you don't need to do anything, no questions, nothing they're gonna ask. Simply just go on install. It will initialize its process and it will be install itself within this Anaconda environment. So that is all about this installation process. Here in this, if you want to explore a little bit of Anaconda, then there is a learning path as well, which is having a lot of readouts, some documents where you can train yourself, giving good understanding of this is an orange document. If you see here in the home side, you will have this orange as well, which is mainly used for data science, data mining framework actually for data visualization and data analysis. So there are a lot of things you can do with this. You can explore, you can go through the guide of each and every other tools and all, so have a clear idea on that. The next, which is here, is an environment. These are the packages which is already there. So as you are choosing this most recent Anaconda software that you have installed here, so you will have all the upgraded and updated packages within your system. The other thing is the community. I have already told in my previous video that how big and how vast this Python and this whole data science community is. So you will have a lot of, even if any question you ask, they will give it to you back within a few hours, I would say, on yes, in a minutes as well. So there is a lot of forums that you can go, and there's a Twitter as well. There's a blog itself. There's central, a lot of places where you can go. Forum is definitely there. So that is all about this Anaconda. Once you do, once if you see there is installed, then you just have to go on this Jupyter launch. Similarly, you can also do this Python coding spider. I prefer going with the Jupyter Notebook. So here we will whole journey of Python coding will be done on the Jupyter Notebook. So once you do, there is a launch option you will get. After install, you will see the launch now. So I will click on this launch. It will initialize certainly for launching this notebook. Once it is done, it will pop up you with this page where you will have all your folders and all. And this is the Jupyter Notebook, where in any location you can select and start running your, or you can set your directory. And here in the very right of this whole page, you will have this new. Click on this new. It will give you a drop down, and in this you will see Python 3. So from this Python 3 new, you can have your new notebook, Jupyter Notebook. So I want to create as a new notebook. So simply click on this, and you will have a separate notebook. So this is how this new Jupyter Notebook, and where you will perform all your Python codings. So this is all about the installation process with Anaconda and the Jupyter Notebook. If you really like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more such video, please hit on the bell icon. I will see you on the next day on this next video, where we'll start our Python coding. Till then, happy learning.